Good evening, guys. Firebolt Prime here. Update 2 on tropical storm Dineo. Crap. With winds right now of 55 miles an hour and an air pressure of 999 millibars. It has been heading due west towards Mozambique over the past few days, and it looks like it's going to make a landfall tomorrow evening. Looking at the satellite and radar imagery with heavy rain surrounding the entire system, and some of the outer rain bands are even making it onto the coast. This is how the storm would look like going into tomorrow, with a lot of heavy rain over the area. By this point, it might have already made landfall. By Thursday, starts to weekend with still a lot of rain. Thursday afternoon, storm looks like it makes into Zimbabwe. By Friday, it's basically gone. Oh. So yeah, the storm seems like it's heading due west, and there are already warnings on the coast of Mozambique and near the in north of the capital of Maputo, I'd say. Strong winds circulating into the center. Most likely will become a cyclone by early tomorrow morning. Looking at the surrounding area. and we're checking around the world to see if there are any other areas of cyclone activity. We all know the northern hemisphere is quiet because it's winter. But down here in the southern hemisphere, it's in full swing. I'll come back to you in a few seconds with your current conditions in Houston 5-day forecast. We had a lot of rain go over the Houston area earlier today. No. You can see that the system has moved towards the east, with not much rain forecasted for tomorrow. The temperatures are definitely going to be cooler in the lower 60s, with things clearing up and the winds definitely blowing out of the northwest. Not any more rain until Sunday. And even at that point, it's not even that much. Luckily, by the weekend, it makes it to a pretty warm 80 degrees. See right now, winds are light at 13 miles an hour. Temperature is 57 degrees. Air pressure is 1,012 millibars after the storm just moves past, and seems like a high pressure system is situating itself over Utah right now, with dry air pushing in as we speak. And I think that's about it for our forecast provided by Meteo Blue, and for our update on Tropical Storm Dineo in the southwestern Indian Ocean. Until next time, Firebolt Prime signing out.